Hi, my name is Mr. Lucas Southerton. I'm going to show you today how to use DraftSight. It's this program right here. You can download it for free off the internet. You don't have to pay anything. There's a free version. Just let this load up. So this is the program. If you were starting from scratch, you would use this, but in my class, what I recommend is, I'm going to close out of this, go to this PC, Home, Shared, Mr. Southerton Lucas, TSA, and then right here some templates. So there's a template for if you're going to print on 8.5 by 11 paper, and a template for if you're going to print on 11 by 17 paper. So I'm just going to go with the 8.5 by 11. So it should boot the program. And right there's my 8.5 by 11 box. Just going to minimize this so you can see the icons a little bit better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. I can just zoom in by scrolling the mouse wheel. And let's say I want to draw a line. I have to go to the line tool, which is right here. I can click on the line tool. I'm just going to click, let's say I want to start down here on the left side of the page. I'm going to click, and you can see if I go straight over, it'll snap so it goes straight over. And let's say I want to draw a line, let's just say I want to draw a line 8 inches. I would just snap it over and press 8 on the keyboard. I'm pressing 8 on the keyboard, and then I would hit enter. And as you can see, it automatically makes the line 8 inches long. Let's say I want to go up, I don't know, 4 inches. I just snap it straight up and hit 4 and hit enter. It goes up 4 inches. Maybe I want to go over 1 inch. I snap it over, hit 1, enter. And let's say I just want to come back to this starting point. You can see it'll just snap right. As I approach it, it'll snap into place. Once it snaps into place, I can click. Oops. Why isn't that snapping? There we go. It'll snap into place. If I want to exit a tool, you hit escape. So I'm going to hit escape on the keyboard right now, and that removes that tool. Let's say I want to make a circle. I could go to the circle tool. Maybe I want the radius to be, I don't know, 1 inch. I hit 1, then hit enter. So anyways, you can draw things up pretty easily that way. A few other tools. Let's say I wanted to trim this line right here. I'm going to go to the modify tool. Let's see, one of these should be trim. Tell you what, I'll just show you what some of these do. Maybe I want to copy something. I can go to the copy tool. Let's say I want to copy this. I can select it. If I'm done selecting, I hit enter. So I hit enter. Now it's asking me where I want to select it from, I believe. So let's say I want to copy it from the center. I would click on the center, and then maybe I want to put that circle right here. So that's copy. I could, paste as many as I want. I'm going to hit escape to get out of this. Maybe you want to, let's see here. Offset's pretty slick. Offset creates concentric circles, parallel lines, and parallel curves. I'm going to click offset. It's asking here down here what I want to specify for a distance. So maybe 0.25 inches. I'll hit 0.25 and enter. Then asks for a source entity. That's saying what do you want to offset. So I'm going to select this. And what the heck? I'll select this as well. Oops. I guess I can't select two things. But anyways, let's say I want to offset this. I click on it, say what I want to offset, click on the side I want to offset, and it'll make that 0.25 inches away. So that's offset. That's pretty slick. I'm looking for trim. Where's my trim tool? Let's see. Let's delete. Copy. Weld. Alright, I should have reviewed a little bit. Let's see. Insert, annotate, dimension, things like this. Let's say I want to dimension from here to here. Tell me that measurement. Still want to find out how to trim. Home. Modify. Alright, tell you what, I'm just going to stop here. That should be enough to get people started. Let me try one more thing. Apologize for the... Okay, here we go. I clicked on this thing. I'm going to go to trim. And let's say I want to delete these lines where they extend into this circle. So it says here, specify cutting edge. So I'm going to make this circle my cutting edge. And then I have to enter on the keyboard. I'm hitting enter. And then I want to remove this up to that cutting edge. So by clicking on that, it will remove it to that cutting edge. So that's trim. If you want to print something, you have to go up to here, File, Print. Let's see here. So we're going to go to Print. And one thing that throws people off is this button here. You do not want to scale to fit paper size. You want to unselect that. Down here where it says user defined, you would go 1:1. And now it would go ahead and print that. And actually, you know what? The 8.5 by 11, I forgot. This original box was a border. It actually was not. That was to give you a 1-inch border. I would recommend centering the thing. Of course, because this extends beyond the border, it's not centered. But anyways, you could specify your printer. I can go to MS Tech Black and White and print that. Okay. So that would print it to the black and white printer in my room. Another thing that's very useful is to go to print and go to print. And I'm actually going to convert this to a PDF. So it's still print, but you print to Adobe PDF. And let's say I want to print this. Again, I don't want to scale to fit paper. I want it to be 1:1. And so I'll hit OK. And it's good to be able to print to a PDF because if you want to use the laser engraver, you're going to have that PDF. And maybe I'll show how to do that in another video. So I'm going to print to a PDF. Maybe I'll just save it to my desktop. I recommend, actually, always save it to your number when you save something at school. So this PC, I go down to my number. I'm just going to call this test PDF for laser engraver. And again, maybe I'll show how to do that in another video. So I'm hitting save. It's basically saving it as a PDF. Anyways, that should be enough for you to get started. Thanks for watching.